Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing Euro USD and XAU USD. So before we get into the video, hit the subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to sign up to the broker that we use. The link is in the description, as we are running a competition for those who will win the free monthly signals. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see here on the daily time frame, um, from this point right over here, the market has been selling. So I'm seeing a beautiful trend line starting from this point right over here. Okay, beautiful trend line starting from that point right over there, and let us cater for the lower side as well. Okay, so this is currently what we have on the daily time frame. So we have our touches. Our first touch on the trend line, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, and there's our fifth touch. So on our fifth touch, we don't really know if the market will push to the inside or will keep pushing to the upper side. So a lot could happen on Euro USD, but bear in mind, guys, we could see a movement to the upper side, or we could see a movement to the lower side. So you're going to buy only if we break out of this trend line right over here, and you're going to sell if we stay inside the trend line. And to be honest, guys, I think the market will buy. The reason behind that is because, as you can see right over here from this point right over there, here from this touch, the market failed to push to the lower side. So this suddenly showed me that the market could change its direction. So let us anticipate a buying movement right over here, or a sell movement if we fail to push to the upper side. So but if I look at this candle on of the yesterday's candles, I can see that Euro USD failed to break out of this pattern right over here. This could be Euro USD trying to trap some of the traders with the buy signals. So let us check out the forward time frame. Like I've said, as you can see, Euro USD pushed to the upper side and opened some few trades because the market knows that we use pending orders most of the time. So most people place their pending orders right over here, thinking that if the market broke out, you're going to buy. So as you can see, it opened the pending orders and shoot back to the lower side again. So this could be the market trying to hit people's stop losses, because if you use your logic, you can see this is a beautiful risk reward ratio. This is your entry level, this is your stop loss right over here. So that's how the market did. So this could be a buy setup, because we'll just see. So to be on the safer side, we are not going to place our pending orders right over here, because we might find ourselves trapped like others. So we are going to place our pending orders right over here, increasing our risk. And our stop loss, we are going to use this level right over here. Let me see. So remember, guys, this is a daily time frame signal, so that's why our stop loss is quite huge or long. So yeah, this could be our overall take profit, and this should be your first take profit right around here. So this is how you're going to trade Euro USD. But like I said, guys, this is a two-way trade. We could see a push to the lower side as well. So if you are selling, if you're going short, this means this will be our entry level, and this will be our stop loss right over here, and this will be our overall take profit. So this is how we should trade this trade. So you can use pending orders. So The reason why I'm using the stop loss as our entry level of the sellers, this means the signal has been validated, so there's no way that the market could push to the upper side again. So but for now, guys, let us hope for the buyers. So but you can place your pending orders for the sales. You can place a sell stop and a buy stop, and for the sellers, this is a pending of the first take profit right over here, second take profit over here, and the final take profit right over here. So yeah, that will be all for Euro USD. Let us move to XAU USD. We are now on XAU USD, which is gold on the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, guys, I've already analyzed it a little bit. As you can see, we have our first touch right over here, second touch, and there's our third touch in which the market failed to push to the upper side. So showing us this trend line is valuable. So to be honest, we're on the 4-hour time frame because this is a kind of like a short term signal. So as you can see, guys, the market from this point over here did a double bottom pushing to the upper side. So, and as you can see, there's a pin buy candlestick and there's a pin buy candlestick showing us we are pushing to the lower side, and over here we have a hammer right over there. So this could be a potential movement to the lower side. So let us move to the lowest time frame or the lower time frame to see what's really going on. Let us move to the 1-hour time frame. So I need to get to the bottom of this to see what's really going on. As you can see, the market has been pushing to the upper side so beautifully. So let me draw this trend line right over here. Okay, let me use the bodies of the candlesticks to have the most accurate thing. Okay, you can just do it like this, guys. Okay, so this is what we have. We can see that the market has been playing on top of this trend line right over here. So this is the second touch, and there's a third touch right over here. This means the market will touch this area here and push to the lower side. So this is the setup that I'm anticipating on this pattern right over here. So this is, we have a beautiful wedge. So currently on XAUUSD, this is the kind of setup that we have. So you're anticipating a push to the lower side as soon as we break out of oops, sorry about that. As soon as we break out of this pattern right over here, we are going to sell up until over here. So what can I say? The entry level, we could use this area over here, and our stop loss, we could use it right over here, and our overall take profit right over here. So this is what we have. This is a beautiful setup that we have. So there's no need for you guys to place the pending orders. You could just wait for the market and see if the breakout occurs, then you can take the trade. So this is what we have on XAU USD. So this is a beautiful setup that we have. Yeah, so that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.